Step into the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 3500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include driver airbag, steel wheels, passenger airbag, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, power outlet, split bench seat, and vinyl seats. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.